You parasite! Impenetrable fortress! Jax! Right, how are we gonna get out of here? Wait! It's the princess! Hey, quit mucking about and get back up here! Andy, take this!
Stop, Jax!
Let loose those angelic lights, Sumo!
Yeah. Grunch. Grunch.
I'll tear you to pieces! My what?
Yibba-dooba-dabba-doo.
What is going on? You look convoluted!
No! We need to find the Tommy guys!
Whoa!
Yeah!
Go on and shake me! Shut!
Wow!
Live! Wait, Jax! Will you shut the frick up? Shut the frick up! You no-talent, mediocre piece of... What? Are you kidding me? I'm in a meeting! Shut up! Whoa! Whoa! Enough! God! Huh? Great suggestion, Jax! As I feared, there just isn't anything stuck between my... Yup! I'm gonna put you freaks in your place! Why do you people torment me? It has to be created! I just wanted to fulfill my purpose!